Hi guys, nice to meet you. Then the inbox, nice surprise. Yeah.
Wow.
What's
What's that?
I don't know.
Hetty. Hetty spaghetti. Show to them.
I can still do it.
Open natin.
Ah. Oh, what's this?
What's that?
Oh, a person. Wow.
The puzzle. That's the puzzle.
Yeah.
Perfect boy, Darcy. Perfect boy, Darcy. Hey, mom, perfect boy.
Oh, what could it be? How?
You figure it out. Look. You put it here in his hand. In her hand.
I want to do it. What's that? Whoops. I can't. Mom, I can't.
You hold her in the other hand. Wow. So that she can catch what? What she's going to catch? Ah? Butterfly.
Perfect boy, Darcy.
Because she's on the garden. And this is the garden.
What is this?
It's like a flower pot.
Hi, Paul, perfect.
It's a flower pot. It's like this. Later at home, we're gonna add some stickers on it to make it look like a flowers. Later, can you solve the puzzle first?
How? Now?
This will be the guide. Let's start here.
Oh, yay!
Good job.
Baby here. Mama. Mama.
Wow, look at the butterfly.
Ngayon na nga lagi na susunod yun. Mama, how should I do it? How?
No, it's not the right, because there's a flower here. Oh. It should be somewhere here.
Look.
Because it's wrong. It's wrong, Chloe. Maybe here.
No.
Try it here. Doesn't fit well. Maybe this. By a line. What's next?
Jollibee. Up the sky.
Wow. I know it's wrong. It should be have flower here. That's not right. Take it off. Maybe this one. This one, Chloe. And then put the
What?
this one, this one. There you go.
Ito.
Up kasi. Yeah. Then, Jollibee. This one.
See, on the sky.
Yeah. Look, oh, the flowers connect, oh. See? Hooray! What's next? No? It should be butterfly. Find the butterfly.
Yay! Butterfly. Mommy found it.
I think this one. Ay, hindi. Sige nga, try that. No, it's not it too.
It is.
Wow, that's right. You got it. Next na.
Oh. Look. Look. Should be this one.
No.
Hmm?